Check this out, guys. This is a 1973 Ford F250. This is a long bed, two-wheel drive. This truck is in really nice shape. Has some nice paint on it. You can see this nice lighter blue color, white topper, white roof on the cab. This is a H code 390. Sorry, it's a little noisy out here during rush hour. They're pulling in some of our other cars, so you might hear a little bit of noise. But back to the F250 here. This is a 390 two-barrel. It's got a brand new two-barrel carburetor on it, Holley, with an electric choke. Originally a 390 pickup. This truck came out of Texas, which is a good place for a truck like this to come from. Appears it's had a fair amount of restoration work done to it. Paint and body, obviously. It's had some dash work done. It's got a headliner. The bench seat appears to have been redone. Looks like a lot of the stuff under the hood has been redone, including the engine. But we don't have any paperwork on the engine, but it sure runs and sounds like it has been rebuilt. Starts up easy. Engine sounds good. Wipers. Do have a horn. Do have all these slide nice and easy. And blower motor works well. So it does have a stereo.
Some DCS merch tomorrow, so let's play Who's Lying.
Stereo does work. Ashtray. Got a lighter. Got a owner's manual in there. Glove box opens and closes easily. Doors close nice. Gaps are nice. It's got a set of BF Goodrich tires on it. Date code on the tires is 2015. You can see there they have a lot of tread left, but they are about 10 years old, so keep that in mind. All right, there you have it. There is your 390 two-barrel engine. It's also equipped with a C6 3-speed automatic transmission. It's got power steering, which is awesome to have on a rig this big. Power brakes, I believe they are front disc brakes. They are front disc, rear drum. Engine sounds super smooth. Very smooth and quiet. See, it's got a brand new battery in it as well. This is a clear bra right here. You can see the line right there, so that protect the front there. We're on that flatter paint surface. Paint is very nice on this car. Almost has a factory-like finish to it. Just a little bit of orange peel in it, kind of like how the factory would have left it. Doors closed really nice. exhaust. And in here, you kind of have the previous owners set this up to be more of like a sleeping area. And be great for camping. Put a mattress back here. You got some compartments in here. So very nice, and the topper is in very good shape as well. So if you're interested in this Ford F250 Longbed pickup, two-wheel drive, please go to our website. That's carsrememberwhen.com. We'll have about 80 plus high-resolution pictures, including pictures of the undercarriage. If you have any more questions or you'd like to learn more, please give us a call. That's carsrememberwhen.com. Thanks.